persisting in completing the mission with the unshaken aspiration and forging ahead in the path of revitalizing the national industry, developing the enterprise spirit with culture and establishing the business with ingenuity. SUNHUNK Heavy Industry Group, an organization like a vigorously rising sun, with eternal energy of the sun god, Apollo, adhering to the mission of realizing success for customers, progress for the industry, prosperity for the country, and dreams for strivers, standing on the peak of the industry. After such years of hard work and growth, with the average speed of building a modern factory every 4 years, a triumphant song in forging ahead has been written by the staff of SUNHUNK. SUNHUNK, built in 2001, was the first manufacturing base of the whole group after the transformation from trade to entity business. For the staff of SUNHUNK, it is regarded as a revolution base like Jinggang Mountain, and it is the birthplace of Longma culture, where the spirit of SUNHUNK was developed and the brand of SUNHUNK Tianma was built. There, a legend of the highest output value and the most products per unit area in the industry was created. Hebei SUNHUNK Tianma, a core production base of SUNHUNK, is an industry leader with refined management and lean manufacturing. Bato SUNHUNK Special Vehicle Co., Ltd., in the city of Steel on the Prairie, is a splendid achievement in the development history of SUNHUNK. It has carried out an in-depth exploration and attempt in factory construction, process planning, organization management, team building, etc., accumulating valuable experiences for the group's follow-up development. SUNHUNK Yanjiao Industrial Park, as the factory with the largest production capacity and the most powerful manufacturing strength in the group, is courageous to perform the innovation in the management, product, and technology. It is engaged in the production of more than future models of dump trucks, semi-trailers, and refrigerated trucks, which improves the overall strength of SUNHUNK to a new level. Jiangsu SUNHUNK Tianma Logistics Equipment Co., Ltd., a garden-style green factory, is selected as a key industrial project enterprise by the provincial government, and it is known as a pioneer of high-end knuckle boom truck crane and a leader in the Sudianying era of refrigerated truck in China. Beijing Fuking Financial Leasing Co., Ltd., a Sino-foreign joint financial leasing enterprise approved by the Ministry of Commerce, is an important part in SUNHUNK's layout of integration of industry and finance. Zian Jingtai New Material Technology Co., Ltd., and Wuxi Jingtai Hydraulic Technology Co., Ltd., improved the business platform of the group to a new level. Sichuan SUNHUNK Tianma Special Vehicle Co., Ltd., another new high-tech intelligent and digital factory, will rise up in Tudingtuhu, in the southwest border of China. Modern factories and new businesses, a series of footprints left by the staff of SUNHUNK after the advance at a stride, rooting in China, communicating with the world, being open and inclusive, and unremittingly pursuing self-improvement. SUNHUNK has grown into a scientific and technological innovation enterprise group with an international perspective. Under the strategic measures of global market, international standard, world-famous brand, and Chinese-level quality, the business territory have been expanded to cover more than 30 countries in the world. Its services ranges from commercial vehicle manufacturing, road and railway construction, national defense, electric power, mining, etc. The product brands, SUNHUNK Tianma and SUNHUNK, are well known at home and abroad, regarding research and development capabilities as the most important guarantee for the vitality of the organization. SUNHUNK builds a protective moat with leading, innovative and breakthrough technologies, and intelligently creates a number of products with independent intellectual property rights which are at the highest level of Chinese manufacturing, which seems to be playing a rousing triumphant song. The prosperous Xiangan National Day float designed and manufactured by the staff of SUNHUNK is a tribute to the Qiding birthday of the motherland. Vaccine refrigerated transporters by SUNHUNK Tianma build a barrier of health guarantee for China. Wax carts by SUNHUNK Tianma support sports athletes to complete their dreams in the Winter Olympics. High-end knuckle boom truck cranes by SUNHUNK Tianma break the monopoly of international technology and fill the gap of products in the industry. Muck trucks by SUNHUNK Tianma, which is regarded as a business card of Chinese dump trucks, is a carrier of national economy and people's livelihood. Our Provincial Technology Innovation Center, a research and development center for special vehicle technology, a high-tech enterprise, an advanced technology unit, National Military Standards System certification, the certification of Army weapons and equipment manufacturing qualification. SUNHUNK TMA rides on the crest of success all around the country, makes the strongest voice of the manufacturer by a great power, shows that the domestic brands have reached a new level. To create a service experience that exceeds industry standards and customer expectations, it sticks to the service concept of happiness and joy to creating much more value for customers, far more than delivering. Taking the revitalization of national industry as its own responsibility, it endeavors to develop the high-end manufacturing and fulfills the responsibility of the staff of SUNHUNK. In the epidemic prevention and control, earthquake and disaster relief benefits to the hometown, the staff of SUNHUNK will never be absent, laying the root with the party building and shaping the spirit with the culture. Party building can be shown in pictures. The Longma culture of working hard and making great progress works as the gene for the development of SUNHUNK. With the work style of responding quickly, acting proactively, going all out, and striving for excellence, an elite team that dares to fight tough battles and can win the battles has been developed. According to the strategy of strengthening the enterprise with talents and the training concept of hard-working staff, talented staff, staff with executive power, and staff with leadership ability. It dares to invest, is willing to invest, and keeps investing in the growth of employees, developing a highly professional organization. For everything, we must implement the management principles that there are rules to follow, evidence to follow, someone to take charge of that, and someone to supervise, so that every employee is self-disciplined, confident, happy, and dedicated. Recalling the past, we must set up the idea for taking the lead. Looking forward to the future, we must be brave on the path of rejuvenation, always starting a business and always innovating. We will become the most trusted partner for customers in the world and grow into a century-old brand with a long-lasting foundation. All staff of SUNHUNK will ride the wind and waves forward bravely.